Target Trading Academy.
Good afternoon, everybody. Preston Vogl here at Target Trading Academy with today's Micros Market Recap. It is May 16th. That's a Tuesday at the New York close. Let's get right into it with oil. So oil pretty much was opening just above that close. This one bar opened up here and then came right down, got the close, and then we just had this quick battle in between. And ultimately, the buyers won that battle, and they drove it to this HVA edge where what? It was drawn the night before, and what happened? Oh, look at that. It responded off it and just dropped like a rock. You can see that it gave a couple more potential entries for our students to go after from there. So with that said, oil is finishing net down on the day. Gold opened gap down, and then it had that move up, shot down from that range low, and then finally got up into that again, getting into yesterday's range. Sorry, this would be Friday's range low. Yesterday's range, not to the close. It got relatively close, but just not close enough to get to it, but close enough for them to say it was good to go. And then it just dropped like a rock even further. So, yeah. And then as far as our equities go, well, it was a lackluster afternoon. ES opened inside of its range from yesterday, below that close, and we had a move up, got the close, and then we haven't really been back to it since. We've just been consolidating in between these HVAs here, as you can see, and then most recently, finally got some volatility, and we have a new low being put in. So we might just see new lows on the day, continuing down while the Chicago exchange is still open, as it finalizes those orders out. As far as the NASDAQ goes, it was not a similar story by any means, other than where we opened, which would be inside the range from yesterday. But with the NASDAQ, we got out of that contract high, made new highs, and then we just kept fighting it. They just wanted to drive the NASDAQ up, up, and up. But it was a fight. You can just see here, they just kept fighting those areas here, and then they would come back and hit them as support for resistance, become support play. Ultimately, though, we are going to be looking like finishing net up, but it's too close to call with the NASDAQ. I would say it is potential that we do finish around this area, but that close from yesterday is just right there, and we have a whole another hour until that Chicago exchange closes, and with volatility that's randomly entered, we may just be closing that down in the NASDAQ. It's just too early to tell. I will say that the ES is going to be net down, even though we do have that much time left. But with the NASDAQ being so close to its prior day's close, it's like I said, it's just too close to call. But we're net down in gold and oil as well, and unsure where we're going to end up in the NASDAQ. If you are interested in learning more information about these levels and how you can get them onto your charts the night before, feel free to reach out to us. We are Target Trading Academy. You can find us on Facebook or go to our website at targettrading.co. That is targettrading.co. Get in touch with a consultant at either location. They'll gladly show you what we do in our rooms each and every day that the markets are open. You'll be able to see for yourself why we are the #1 trading education company in the world.